Good evening, guys. I'm Deepa. My today's topic is electronic paper display. Electronic paper display is main contains introduction, technology, advantages, advantages over display material, drawback, applications. Electronic paper display. Electronic paper display is called as e-paper or e-link and display technology using organic technology used by the mimic appearance of the regular ink on the paper. The flat panel display. It is also called as flat panel display. One most important features is needed pixel be by stable state of the pixel maintain the constant without constant power supply. An introduction. An electronic power display is also known as EPD, and it is possible to paper like a high appearance, ultra low power consumption, and thin light form. It gives the experience of the reading from the paper and the power updatable information. E-paper is also called as the electronic paper, and it is a display unit, paper flexible and wide view angle, and a digital pen is also used to create a handwrite, and the paper display reflect the like ordinary paper, and it gives the wider viewing angle and extremely light and flexible. History. The electronic paper is first developed by 1970 is Nicky Sheridan, and the electronic paper is electronic paper is called as Garicon. One of the Garicon is first electronic paper was developed by 1970. They consist of the polythene spheres having diameter between 75 to 106 micrometers, and the composed negative charged black plastic on the side one side, and positive charge to the white plastic and the another side. And Garicon is the sphere of the embedded transparent silicon made sheet of the with each sphere suspends to the is they can freely rotate, and the polarity of the voltage applied to the pair electrode of the diameters whenever the white or black side of the face up and giving through the fle- pixel white or black appearance, and positive negative charge of the Garicon. And one of the most Garicon is the positive negative charge. The positive is one pixel is a transparent electrode layer, and bottom is a lower electrode layer and the liquid polymer layer. The transparent upper layer is the transparent electrode layer is the charges is embedded, and the appearance of the pixels of the electrode layer. And technology used is the basic material used the electronic paper display is electronic ink, and electronic ink is polarity material of the processed into film integration into the electronic display. Although the revaluation concept of the electronic ink is straightforward fashions, chemistry, physics, electronic to create a new material. And the technology processed used so far is the Garicon, and electrophotic display, and electro weaving and electro fluid display, and informatic modulator, and electronic Garicon is already discussed, and electrophotic display is the electronic ink display from the e-ink is based on the encapsulated of the electroplates, and this principle is components of the electronics are millions or micro captures of the diameter of the human hairs. In one of the incarnation of the each microcapsulations contain positively charged white particles and negatively charged of the suspend of the clear fund, and this makes surface appearance of that white at the spot. At the same time, opposite electric field pulse pull the black particles to the bottom micropulses, and electrostatic display is two two voltages. One is a positive voltage and another one is negative voltage, and the positive voltage is applied the marigate electrostatically, and negative voltage is applied to the particles to move the electrode on the one from away from the each, and once marigate of the either polarity of the voltage in mode, and in display link is printed onto a plastic film laminated of the layer circuitry, and the pattern of the pixels can be controlled by the driver. The most micropulses used suspended liquid is a carrier medium. Carrier medium, the electrowetting display. Electrowetting display is phenomena of the electrowetting effect, and the controlling the confidence water or oil interface by an voltage applied voltage, and within no voltage applied means within no voltage applied and a voltage applied, and the electric and water in the tension between the water, and the results polarities pixels or the readability of the state. Advantages, and paper is readability and sunlight and non-uniform light visibility, and viewing angle is 180-degree, a highly flexible, ultra low power consumptions, long by stable image content previewed without power, and capable of the color and video. Electrofluid display, another type of the display is electrofluid display. Electrofluid display is a variation of the electrowetting display. Electrofluid display is a place of the aqueous pigment of the inside tiny receivers, and receivers is a compression of the viewable pixels, and therefore the many fragment of the submit, and voltage is used to the electronically pull up the pigment out of the receiver spread directly of the viewing substrate. As a result, display takes color brightness of the pigments, and the electrofluid display, and advantages over other display material. Highlight the display material is 300 microns, and Garicon is in between 70 to 160 macrons, and the ratio is 10 is to 1, 4 level gray, and the low reading drawbacks is very low speed electrochemical complex, slow response change to slow for video, and intermetric modulator, and electronic ink displays a wide viewing angle, readable and bold image, plastic, light, and matrix paper, and animator applications, and applications e-book reader, and image and Kindle, electrode self label, and a large department storage, smart card display, some credit, mobile phone, e-newspaper, timetable, and EPD dials, many more consumer industrial applications. When a reading experience and the range of the lighting and viewing angle of the almost importance through the EPD, and the transportation of the sign in can be utilized the meridian locations privilege the possible due to sunlight viewing angle, and electronic billboards status display, and e-books are stated in the eye and the estimation of the Light can now gives the reader through books like experience and cell phone screen the hand shaded tone, and the EPD gives power produce the design and the imagination of the never before possible, and the digital frame photos and beyond. Today generation technology offers visual look for a paper and ready to plastic electronics companies including the spin off called is polymer vision and status display. And the main important is conclusion is electronic ink is not intended to the dimension or do away within traditional display. Instead, electronic ink will initially coexist the traditional paper or the other display technology. In the run, electronic may have the multi-billion dollar impact on the published industry, and ultimately electronic link will permit the almost all the surface will display burning the bringing the information of the conflicts of the traditional device and into the world around. And um, and the integration of these two technology will allow something that not only have look paper and but is also much closer to its thin light flexible. Thank you.